We've been doing apprenticeships here since 1973. Our apprentices are our full-time employees. We're not an apprenticeship program like some people are used to seeing in the trades, where you would go apply for an apprenticeship position, you would study for 4 years, and then you'd go out and look for a job. Our apprentices are our full-time employees. They have all pay and all the benefits through their entire apprenticeship program, and when they graduate, it's just simply another day. It's a seamless transition. Their title gets changed from apprentice to journeyman, and they go on doing the same work that they have been doing. A lot of people go on to college, and that's a great thing. But as an apprentice, you're going through 4 years of training and schooling, just like somebody would when they're in college, but you're making money every day.
Going through the apprenticeship and now being an employee owner here has really benefited me because not that I'm going to go anywhere or leave, I love it here, but knowing that I have my experience and the schooling to back it up, it's kind of like having better than a college degree with no student debt. So that's really cool. And then now I know my retirement's going to be great. You know, the numbers are already climbing because they're so good to us here. So Penn United's going to take care of me later on too, not just while I'm here.
I chose L.I.G.H.T above everybody else because the company itself I've heard a lot of great things about. Benefits are great and the teaching's great. I mean, we have people from all different companies that have worked here, and a couple are now retired and still come in and help teach.
Not only do I get to come into work and do my job, but I get to continually learn every day. It is an awesome company, and it's good Christian values, and it's like a family environment. It's a big company, but everybody here feels like you've known them for years, even if it's your first time talking to them. Everybody's super personable, and they're just easy to work with.
One of our core values is that we want to empower and develop our employees, and through the training programs, that's really an investment in our people. We're really offering opportunities for long-term careers in manufacturing, not just a job. As they're continuing their apprenticeship programs over the next 3 or 4 years, they will continue to grow and advance their skills over the length of that apprenticeship program. And then even when they become journeymen, I mean, every journeyman on the shop floor will tell you they continue to learn throughout their entire career. The learning doesn't stop just because they get their journeyman's papers.
Anybody that's looking to do this, do it. If you have a little bit of creativity and you like being detail-oriented, you're going to love doing this.